Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best car sound deadening materials in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Kilmat Car Sound Deadening Mat. Kilmat is a highly popular brand of car sound deadening materials since it offers one of the easiest to use options out there for beginners. The Kilmat Car Sound Deadening material is present at the first position in this list since it is perfect for beginners and for those who want something easy to use. Even with its beginner-friendly design, it offers a standard nominal thickness of 80 mm, which is on par with most other options out there. You will be glad to know that this car sound deadening material comes with a total size of 36 square feet, which is on the higher side. But the key feature of this car sound deadening material is that it comes as a total of 34 sheets, which means that you do not have to cut it, making it easy to install. Pros: perfect for beginners and ease of use. Comes pre-cut as multiple sheets for saving time. Pretty large total size for covering a large area. Cons: a bit on the heavier side. Number 2. Our second best pick is Noico Car Sound Deadening Mat. You can also consider Noico and its offerings, and it comes to car sound deadening materials that are easy and quick to install inside your car without needing much effort. Noico's car sound deadening material is present at the second position in this listicle, as you get multiple sheets in the box, making it quite easy to install. Other than being one of the quicker options to get started with, you also get a nominal thickness of 80 mm with it. Although, the total size of this car sound deadening material is rated for just 10 square feet, which can be a bit limited for many users. This is due to the reason that its included 10 sheets have a size of 1 feet x 1 feet. Pros: quick and easy to install in a car. Offers quite great sound insulation. Comes with pre-applied adhesive. Cons: limited total size for heavy-duty usage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dynamat Sound Deadener. Dynamat and its car sound deadening materials can be another viable option for those who want something practical and versatile for using inside their cars thanks to its given specifications. The Dynamat car sound deadening material can be the perfect option for those who want a ready-to-use option for most cars. While this car sound deadening material is fairly versatile and practical, it does not perform the best because of its limited nominal thickness of just 67 mm. Thankfully, you do get a fairly total size of 36 square feet with this car sound deadening material, making it great for many users. In fact, this sound insulation kit comes with a total of 9 sheets, allowing you to easily install it without having too small of sound insulation sheets inside your car. Pros: great for quick and easy installation. Fairly large and practical for most cars. Multiple sheets without using a too small size. Cons: nominal thickness is a bit less than others. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fatmat Self-Adhesive Rattletrap Sound Deadener. Fatmat primarily makes heavy-duty and high-end mats and sound isolation sheets that you can install in your car to make it sound isolated and prevent any additional road noise inside. This Fatmat car sound deadening material is present at the 4th position in this article because it is the perfect option for larger cars where you may need a lot of car sound deadening material. Talking about its sound isolation performance, it is rated for a nominal thickness of 80 mm, which is on par with other options. But unlike others, this car sound deadening material offers a total size of 50 square feet, making it much larger than all other options out there. However, since it only has a single sheet in the box, cutting it down can be a bit time-consuming due to its given size. Pros: perfect option for heavy-duty usage in large cars. Offers a highly large-sized car sound deadening material. Decent thickness for proper sound isolation. Cons. Requires cutting up into smaller sizes. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Thermotech Heat and Sound Suppressor. Just by the name, Thermotech primarily offers heat isolation production, where some of its offerings can even work as car sound deadening materials like the one given here. Thermotech's car sound deadening material is one of the only few options out there which offers protection against both noise as well as heat coming from the outside of your car. Since this is a combination of two different materials, its given nominal thickness of 70 mm is decent and expected. However, its given total size of 15 square feet is a bit lower than most others and can be quite limiting for some. And since this is not a large-sized car sound deadening material, you only get a single sheet included in the box, which is to be expected. Pros. Versatile option for sound and heat insulation. Decently thick for the price and usage type. Easy to apply with a pre-applied adhesive. Cons. Limited total size for larger cars. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.